Good morning, guys. This is Ben, and we're in the backyard. As you can see, there's a pile of organic matter that's already black. There's a bucket of organic matter that's still brown with the black agent on top. So if you can see, we put a lot of organic and a bit of trash in about 6-7 months ago, except the wood plank is only about a week or two ago. The wood plank is already half rotten, so we put it in a bag. But the organic matter mostly are leaves and sticks. So and as you can see, this is the natural way. We didn't do any agent, we didn't do any covering, nothing, no treatment. We just pile it up and then leave it. So the inner part, if you can see the black item, is this actually the inner part of the pile. The outer part of the pile are still brown like this. Okay. So decomposting happens in the inner side. A 10 centimeter outer layer does nothing. It's still, wet, but not quite decomposting, not quite black. So that's why you need to turn it over once in a while. But we didn't do that for this pile. We just leave it. It took about 6-7 months to get to this part, maybe about half of it or most of it. And it turned black. Some of them are still leaves looking, still have some shape, but some already broken down to particles. So this is the 6-7 months natural way. So we can do it in Bandung under the rain, under the sun, no covering, no nothing, just pile of organic out there in nature. Okay, got rain down, got sun out, we don't care, we just want to know what happened. And so this is that happened. You get compost, but it takes a while, 6-7 months. And then we try to do the harvest hot composting with a bucket. The Harvard has about 1 meter cubic of volume. We don't have a 1 meter cubic bucket, so we use this wire bucket that we have, maybe only 100 liters, so a lot less. But we try to have more vertical, because on the vertical side, you can see you get more volume on the inner side rather than this pile, long pile. You need a very long pile just to get a few volume on the inside. Okay, so we get more volume per space, per meter square space. So you get this vertical. And then as you can see, the brown leaves are in the bottom half, and then starting from the middle, I'm start putting all this, a bit of brown mixed with this black compost already. So there is an agent there. There is a decomposting compost already. And then as you can see on the top, these are the black organic matter from this pile that I put it on top as an agent to hopefully make it faster, decompose faster and become what the hot composting method. It's about a month, the target is. So we will see. This is only 2 days in, so nothing happened yet. Okay, and we're not going to put any covering. It will be rain down, it will be sun out, just like in nature, except the shape are a bit more vertical, so we got more inner volume. And then we put black agent compost halfway up. Okay, the third method we will try is to get the sticks, because as you can see here, the sticks are sticks. They don't decompose as fast as the leaves. This is mostly leaves material. So you want to put the nature way, you want to put the sticks in the bottom and the leaves on top. That way you don't have any problem of harvesting the black agent, the black compost material. Yesterday I tried to put it on this pile, and it was very difficult because the sticks are on top, and they're still strong, so it's a struggle. But you put the sticks in the bottom and then the leaves on top. The leaves will decompose first, and then you can harvest first. Okay, so because the sticks are hard, we put in this empty milk carton, just leftover milk a bit, maybe a drop or two, and mostly big sticks like this and small sticks like this. And then we're going to put about 10 cc or 10 milliliter of urine like that, and then we're going to cover it with a black bag like this, and then we're going to put it under the sun, and basically looking for maybe a month or two before the sticks decompose. We want to know how long does it take, and does the urine help in composting. So if it does, then I will let you know. If it doesn't, I will let you know also. Okay. So this is what we have after 6 7 months of organic piling. We got compost, but it takes a while. The outer layer is not composting yet, so we need to turn it to be the inside. So you turn the inner into outer and the outer into inner. That way you get even composting other than this brown on top and then black in the inner side. And then we did a vertical one like this to see whether it's actually going to make sense. And we did this one. Okay. All right. Cheers. Bye.